Hi, it's Suzanne with Strategic List Services, and today I'm going to show you how to run a count for businesses in your area. You can choose all sorts of different selects to narrow it down for your perfect target market. Here we go. Okay, I'd like to show you how to run a business count. It's very easy. I'm assuming you've already registered for our online database and you've logged in. Then you're going to go over here. Here's the business database. Click on Start here and we'll get going. Now we're going to pretend that we're looking for dentists in Colorado and we want to see how many of them have less than 10 employees. So the first screen we come to says zip codes. We need to find state. So go at the top here and click on state, or you could do city, county, a radius of a zip code, whatever you're looking for. We type in CO for Colorado and then that's done. Then we want to go to selections. Now for selections, we can choose employee size, sales volume, first year in business, headquarters or branch indicator, minority owned business. Those are all our basic and free selects. But what we want to do first is find dentists. And how we do the type of business is called an SIC code. So we click on that. Some people find that SIC codes are a little bit intimidating, but in fact, they're very, very simple. Every business has an SIC code associated with it. You don't have to know what they are. You just click on this button here, look up, and you can easily look up the one you're looking for. For example, we're going to write in dentist. And then we click on search, and we'll see how many we can find. And sometimes you do have to play around with the words a little bit. Now, for example, you'll also come up with manufacturers and different things like that, like the ones in bold, say enamel, dentists. First, I want to tell you something about SIC codes. The very top, you see SIC code 38. Now, that is a root SIC code, and that will be very, very broad. Down below, you'll see a 4-digit SIC code, which is a little bit narrower, and then the 6-digit and 8-digit are very, very targeted. So we're going to scroll down until we find this one, Offices and Clinics of Dentists, and that's SIC code 8021. You have to put a check mark beside there. Now, if you perhaps you only wanted to find something like dental insurance plan, you might click down here. But if you have clicked on 8021, you will get everything that starts with 8021. So you're going to get all these other businesses. Now, the key thing to remember on this SIC code page is after you've clicked on what you want, you can click as many as you want, you hit add selected codes right here. Click on that, and then that'll make sure that it's in your count. On the left-hand side, you can always see here, it says what you've done. You've got the state in there. You've got one SIC code. Now we're going to go back over to all selects. Click here. We'll see what we can do. We've got dentist now. We've got Colorado, and we want to do employee size. Let's click on there. You can look at all the other things. Perhaps you want telephone numbers. And then we go over here to click on continue. As you can see, it's pretty simple. Let's look for 5 to 9 and 1 to 4 employees. We want under 10 employees and we only want records with telephone numbers. Again, click on continue. Now we want to know how many there are. So in the top left-hand corner, we click on this button that says Get Count. There are 1,967. Let's see how much that would cost. Click on View Pricing. The first page you get to when you click on View Pricing has all the basic pricing, but what you want to look at is Estimate Pricing for My Count. That's the one I like because it tells you exactly how much it's going to cost. So for these names, there's just under 2,000 of them. It's going to cost $255.72. We don't charge anything for the internet delivery. So if you'd like to order that, you can. So click on Close Window. Then what you want to do is you want to save that. Let's click on Save. Save that count so that you can come back to it later. I like to click on this button that says Edit Search Description so that I can remember exactly what it is that I'm saving. So I will call this Dentist in CO. And then Submit, which is going to save it for you so that at any time you can come back and look at it. If you're ready to place the order, click here and place the order. You can choose if you want to have all 1,967 records, or if you want to add records from previously saved searches. Say you did another search for chiropractors and you want to order the dentist and the chiropractors, then you click on that one. Or you might only want to order 250 of them to start, whatever you want to do. Then you decide if you want them for one-time use or multiple use. And I really strongly recommend you order them for multiple use, because mailing to your target over and over again is much more beneficial than only doing it once. Then you would just click here on continue, you would fill out your credit card information, and the list would be emailed to you. Thanks for taking my tour of how to run a business count. If you have any questions at all, at any time, you can always call our number. Here it is, 888-848-1215, and we'd be more than happy to help you. Thanks again and have a wonderful day.